Hi there, it's Yasser Mahmood, the web guy here, and in this YouTube tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can compress an image without losing the quality of the image itself. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and go to this website, imagediamond.com. This one you maximum upload file says 5 megabytes, then you can do 10 at a time, and it says it for 24 hours, keep under my files. No registration required, and it gives you all the information about it, and then just a little thing, it tells you how it works a little bit more. So we'll just select the file first. It doesn't matter kind of if it's big or small, we'll just select any kind of file. Find one that I like. We'll go with this one. Let it just do its work. Then we say best optimized size. Click on that one. And then you may decide to compress it by 50 and it says 216. So that's a good way if you want to just make sure it's like, and you can see it's done. That's how quickly it's done. Compress the file and we can see, make sure that it's done. If we go into our file manager, go into pictures, and we can see that it's there, the image there. And if we go up, we can just see, select it, and it will give us the details of the file, how big it is. See, 221 kilobytes. So that is how you can compress a big file into a smaller file without losing the quality of the file. Hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did, please leave a like, comment of any videos that you would like me to make in the future, and hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you. I'll have to edit that a lot.